Alright guys, it's Margaret from Days Well Spent, and today Scott and I are going to let the camera roll while we set up a portable greenhouse. So far, Scott's got the ground tilled and he raked it out to just kind of even it out so we have a nice even smooth surface to get started on. So you got 4 corner pieces, so I'm going to put those in each of the corners. And we got a T that's going to go in each middle. Now that we've got those laid out, we're going to go ahead and start connecting the poles. Set up. Now it's time to put the cover over it. As you guys saw, that went together pretty quick. At each of the poles there's a tie that you can use to attach the outer cover to the frame system. Now we're moving on to the tie downs. We've got everything else set up. The way you tie it down, the instructions talk about it really depends on your area. It comes with some cording and some stakes. If you're in an area that's really windy or you just want to secure it in other ways, that's always an option. Scott's got a couple different ideas, and he'll kind of walk you through those as we do it.
We're putting ours next to a fence line. I'm going to go ahead and put an eyelet in our fence support, and that'll be our point of tie down. If you don't have a fence, the kit does come with some press into the ground hooks that you would use instead. Okay, now we got the support strings, so we're just going to run those through the eyelet in the canopy. And then there's a little metal thing here. You take the tip of the string and you run it through, and you just follow how it's already laced as it comes out of the package. That gives you the ability to adjust the length of this once you tie it down, and it also allows you to tighten it.
So we've got everything set up. The plants are inside. We watered them from the rain barrels. Got the door shut up. We'll come back out and check it in a couple of hours just to get an idea of what the temperature is going to do. But I'd say our plants are all set and ready for the low temperatures tonight. If you guys have any questions about setting up a portable greenhouse or any of the steps we showed you, let us know in the comments section and we'll be happy to help. And as always, if you're looking for more inspiration, visit dayswellspent.com and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber.